Guys, I am with my little brother. You should move. You just gotta move. Come on, come on. Here, let's go ride our bikes. So guys, I'm gonna go ride my bike. I was thinking of making my little brother a channel.
My little brother channel?
You.
My little brother channel's me?
Yeah, you.
Oh, little baby. We don't have a little baby channel.
I can barely. I'm just gonna put my phone.
I play Pokemon.
Hey, is this good? This is good. Okay. Yeah, I'm moving this.
I said I play Pokemon. Don't like baby.
Duh. Timer, can you move? I'm gonna put my phone here.
Fine.
Oh, there we go. What's up, guys?
Back
Yeah.
in the video.
Okay, let's ride our bikes to impress the fans and a little bit of cheddar cheese with a little bit of sprinkles of subscribe, right?
Yeah.
Hey, come on. Yeah. Wait. You gotta set it up. Set it up like that. Okay, come on. Let's go.
Okay, wait. I'm not ready yet. Oh. I'm gonna have to talk already.
Yay!
Okay.
Ooh, look at me. Oh, what are you doing, Tyler?
Subscribe.
Okay, let's do something else.
Turn on notifications.
Yeah, turn on the notifications. Like this video. Comment saying I subscribe.
We'll see you next time.
No,
Bye.
I'm not ending the video here.
Why?
We're gonna have a longer adventure. Because, you know, I'm Troy Vidster. Oh, did you see his shirt? Guelph football. I don't play football. Okay, I just got a message from someone saying, "Do you wear Gucci? What is Gucci anymore? Gucci ain't worth it." Okay. You're just gonna stop. Wait, what are you doing?
It broke off, so that's why I'm doing that. Don't stab me.
It's right there. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's
Fine.
good. It's good. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so what are we gonna do?
I don't know.
Wait. So comment what here, comment right now, and I'll check the here, I'll save his topic for next video. I think we should do I got a perfect idea. Let's play hide and seek. Not it. You're it. Okay. So
Behind.
Like a Hellcat.